Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee ex-servicemen, Wing State President Colonel Mallikarjun T. Press meet.
जय हिंद साथियों, हमें पूर्व सैनिक विभाग कर्नाटक प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमेटी से आज हमें एक घोषणा करना चाहते हैं। ये सारे हमारा वेलफेयर स्कीम्स है जो पूर्व सैनिक लोगों के लिए और सैनिक लोगों के लिए ये इसका सबको मिलना चाहिए बोल के हमें प्रयास कर रहा है और हमें राज्य सरकार का साथ भी हमें बातचीत करके हमने कई चीज़ें हमने उनके सामने कुछ हमारे लिए मांग रखा है। सो नंबर 1, वी वुड लाइक टू कंग्रेचुलेट आवर चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ कर्नाटका श्री सिद्धरामैया जी and Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka Sri D.K. Shivakumar ji for coming and gracing a good function which we organized Jai Hind Sabha recently in the town hall. About 1500 ex-servicemen and their families and Veeranaris had attended this function, and this function was attended from all the districts of Karnataka. It was a very big grand function which took place recently, and हमें ये बताना चाहता है that उस दिन हमारा मुख्यमंत्री श्री सिद्धरामैया जी ने अनाउंसमेंट किया है हमारे लिए राज्य में कर्नाटका स्टेट में एक एक्स-सर्विसमैन वेलफेयर बोर्ड स्थापित होगा, एंड इससे हमारे लिए बड़ा एक गिफ्ट है हम बोलना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें हमारा जो भी समस्या है पूरा इसमें इस बोर्ड का द्वारा हमें उसको हल कर सकते हैं। दूसरा अनाउंसमेंट हुआ है, ये हमारा मिलिट्री कैंटीन्स में एक्साइज ड्यूटी ज़्यादा करने वाले थे, तो हमने जाके मांग किया है दैट ये एक्साइज ड्यूटी भी अगर वापस लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि हमारा सारे सैनिक और पूर्व सैनिक को लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा और जेब भारी पड़ेगा, क्योंकि एक ब्लेंडर स्प्राइट 400 रुपये अगर कर्नाटका में है, वही ब्लेंडर स्प्राइट बॉटल महाराष्ट्र में 1200 है, तो 1200 होने वाला था, लेकिन हमने उसको रोक लगा दिया। तो ये भी एक बड़ा हमारे लिए सबके लिए एक अच्छा काम हुआ है, एंड इस तरह हमें काम कर रहे हैं वेलफेयर स्कीम्स। एंड आई वुड लाइक टू आल्सो टेल that we have made lot of we have given a memorandum to the state government from the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee ex-servicemen department. We have given a memorandum for the welfare of all the ex-servicemen. The number 1 is we have already given a memorandum that all our children, ex-servicemen children and servicemen children who will get some reservations in the professional colleges courses, we have asked them to increase up to 5%, and also we have also requested that they should get all good places, good engineering colleges, because now what is happening is the leftover colleges our children are being sent. So we have told that it has to be a scientific formula. Our children should get in best colleges also, and also the best disciplines, engineering disciplines like computer science, information science, robotic engineering, those things also we should be able to get. So that is one thing. And number 2, we have told that ECHS facility is required, that is ex-servicemen contributory health scheme. Now what is happening is, in many of the districts ex-servicemen are there, but prominently in those districts the ECHS facility is not there, though we are authorized. So we have requested the government to give us the building infrastructure so that ECHS can be established in each district, and we will, so that all our elder ex-servicemen, older ex-servicemen can go and including their families can go and get their treatment in the empaneled hospitals in each district. Nowadays every district has got a multi-special hospital, so establishing a ECHS will automatically render them to go and take the treatment. Number 3 point is that many of our ex-servicemen are posted in police department and various other state government departments. But what is happening is, our servicemen, when they work for 20 to 30 years in the army or air force and navy, and when they come retire and take up the jobs in the government. Here they are not getting an opportunity to stay in their own districts. So we have requested after 4 years they should automatically be reverted back to their own district so that they can look after their children, their grandparents and other things as a welfare measures. And also we have requested the government to make a convention center in each district exclusively for ex-servicemen and paramilitary forces, because this will facilitate our people to hold some functions, marriages and etc. And also we have requested the government to establish a military war memorial in each district, because this will give a patriotism to all the citizens of our state. So war memorial establishing and making functions, they are celebrating functions like Independence Day, Republic Day or Vijay Divas will also enhance our patriotism towards the country. So in this way we are we have requested the government to increase the annual grant given to the gallantry award winners. Presently Punjab is giving in lakhs to the gallantry award winners, but we have got very minimal gallantry award annual grant, so we have requested them to be at par with Punjab. Also we have asked the government to give us a facilitate the 100% property tax this thing elimination, so that right now it is 50%, and this property tax is eligible only to those people who are ex-servicemen. The property is there in their names, but somehow what happens is when we are serving in for the nation and we are far away, normally when we buy a property it goes in the name of our wife, spouses. So now that spouses the property tax is not being extended, so we have told them from 50 to 100%, and it should be to either to the ex-servicemen whose property is in their name or to their wives. Also very importantly, as per the Karnataka government, there is an facility to give some wasteland areas to the ex-servicemen. So in this regard also we have requested, and the government has accepted our proposal to give lands up to 5 acres to each ex-serviceman in the districts, or if it is not available at least to give a plots. So in this also the government is working, the revenue department is working, and I hope that we very soon will hear a good news regarding the welfare of all our ex-servicemen. So, and also here in the ex-servicemen department of Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee, we are working always and day and night for the welfare of all of our ex-servicemen, their families and everyone. So any problems, any issues, please feel free to contact us. This is what I would like to say in this channel. And also I thank all our office bearers and also district presidents who are here with me, that we are all working as a team and in a united way. This is what I would like to say. Ellargu ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.